So you have just launched your store or a product on Stripe and your customers are making payments. However, they're emailing you and asking for a receipt. They did not receive a receipt, or they're probably just asking you if they receive a payment, because the receipt is a confirmation that their payment was successful. Now you may think that Stripe would handle this automatically, but they don't. So in this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can set Stripe to automatically send emails when a customer make a payment, and it will be the same for the refund as well. So with that said guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you are logged into your account, right? This is very easy to do. Now select settings, scroll down and select customer emails. Now once you do that, it's right here. Email customers about successful payments and refunds. Now once you do that, select save, confirm your password, and now going forward, whenever your customers make a payment, they will receive a receipt, and if you do make a refund, they will receive a refund receipt. So that's it for now guys. I hope this video has helped you by the way, and can you give me a subscribe? Now I hope I will see you in the next video, right?